Believe you can, and you are halfway there.
The future belongs to those who believe. The moment you believe in yourself, the journey begins. Belief turns impossible paths into possible steps. Before success appears in your life, belief must appear in your mind. Your future is shaped not by luck, but by what you choose to believe today. When belief is strong, obstacles lose their power. Dreams move forward only when belief walks first. Belief is the silent force that pulls success toward you. What you deeply believe today becomes your reality tomorrow. Success starts the day you stop doubting yourself. The strongest foundation for any future is belief in oneself. Belief is the first step before every victory. When belief rises, fear slowly fades. Your life changes the day belief becomes stronger than doubt. Belief gives courage to begin, and strength to continue. Nothing grows in a mind that does not believe. Belief is the seed, success is the harvest. Strong belief turns small efforts into great results. Before the world trusts you, you must trust yourself. Belief opens doors that fear keeps closed. What belief builds, doubt can never destroy. Belief lights the path even in complete darkness. Every achievement begins as a belief in silence. Belief is the quiet power behind loud success. When belief stands firm, excuses fall away. Belief is not hope alone, it is decision. Your limits end where belief begins. Belief gives meaning to effort and direction to dreams. A believing mind always finds a way forward. Belief is the bridge between effort and success. If belief stays alive, success will follow.
There was a moment when Arjuna stood on the battlefield. Weapons were ready. The world was watching. But inside him there was a fear. His hands trembled. His mind questioned everything. He doubted himself, his strength, and his purpose. He said, "How can I do this? I am not strong enough." That moment is not just history. It happens to us too. A student before an exam, a person before an interview, a dreamer standing at the edge of a decision. Like Arjuna, we prepare, but doubt enters at the last moment. That is when Krishna spoke, not about victory, not about enemies, but about belief in one's duty and self. Krishna taught him, "Do your duty with faith. Do not fear the result." Arjuna did not become fearless instantly, but he chose to believe. He lifted his bow. That belief changed everything. Years later, in today's world, a young man stood outside an interview room, just like Arjuna. His mind was full of noise. What if I fail again? What if I am not good enough? He remembered how many times he had lost. Then a simple thought came, "I can control my effort, not the result." That was his Krishna moment. He walked, not perfect, not fearless, but believing in his preparation. He spoke honestly. He stayed calm. He trusted himself. Days later, the result came. He was selected. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe.